They've been out there for hours. I keep telling them to come in, get some warm cocoa. But Beyonce got snow pants on. Denzel got some kind of coat on, some scarves. Poor babies. And I mean, it's cold. It's really, really cold. Look at how much snow. It's almost up to his. I don't know if you can see it. Like, it's almost up to his top of his car. That's how much snow it is. And it's still snowing, and I told him, like, wait till tomorrow. But I'm kind of happy though, because I will not be able to get out. I'm not going grocery shopping. I sure in the heck called Sam's Club to come and I told them to come and deliver my stuff because I'm not going out. I was like, Dad. I told Denzel he did not want to, but I said, I know he ain't take off his coat. He got that thing on his hat. He just loves it. I know he ain't take off his coat. I'm gonna tell him to come in. Watch this. All right, come in. Come in, take a break. Come take a break. All right, y'all gonna be cold. Where's your scarf at, Beyonce?
I don't need one.
All right, when y'all sick, don't say nothing.